how to log in to Line app with email. So if you want to log into your Line account with email, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Line application. After opening your Line, you need to go with the login option, which will be in the bottom, and then go and select your device, if it's a main device or a sub device. And then if you have a QR code, you can log in with your QR code. But if you want to log in with your email, then you just need to simply go with login with another method, which will be in the bottom. And then you can use your phone number, Apple, and Google. So if you want to log in Line app with your email, then you just need to simply go and select continue with Google and select the Google account with the same email that you would like to use to log into your account. So tap on continue, which will be in the bottom again, and go and select the Google account or the email. Or you can go with the login section and then you can go and select sub device and then tap on OK, which will be in the bottom. And here on the bottom, as you can see, that you will have an option of login with email. Tap on it and then you can enter your email address and your password and log into your account. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.